beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, you're also very much welcome. In this video I'll be showing you how I use aloe vera and fenugreek seed as my leave-in conditioner. So I've been doing this for about 3 months now, and I've seen a tremendous difference to the growth of my hair, so I thought to share with you guys. So what I'm doing is basically trying to extract all the juice from inside the aloe vera. To take out all the juice, I'll cut them into smaller sizes, then I'll remove the spikes by the sides of the aloe vera, and then slice them into two and use a spoon to scoop out all the juice. So while I'm doing that, I would like to tell you a few benefits of aloe vera. It is very rich in minerals and vitamins. It helps with itchy scalp, gives your hair a beautiful shine, and most importantly, it promotes hair growth. There are so many other benefits of aloe vera, so I will advise you do your own research online and find out everything that you need to know. The next ingredient I'll be adding to this leave-in conditioner is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed is very rich in protein. It helps promote hair growth. It gives your hair a beautiful shine. It helps with itchy scalp, and also it helps fight dandruff and shedding. So if you're experiencing any of these hair problems, fenugreek seed is really good for that. The last ingredient I'll be using in this recipe is the tea tree oil. This is because it is really beneficial to the hair as well. It helps unclog your hair follicles, and it nourishes the scalp by removing the dead skin cells from your hair, allowing your hair to grow properly. So all these ingredients combined together makes a really powerful leave-in conditioner for your hair. I use this recipe weekly whenever I wash my hair, but you can use it whenever you think you need it. In case you're wondering where you can get aloe vera leaf, you can find it in any grocery store. I bought mine from my local off-license grocery store where they sell fruit and veg, or in the market. You can find them in open market. I'm sure they should sell them there. I also use the bag of the aloe vera to make my aloe vera oil, so I would advise you don't throw them away. I have a video of how I make my aloe vera oil on my channel. I'll put a link in the description box. I hope you check that out and you find it useful. So you don't have to throw away the leaves, you can use it to make your oil as well. So every part of this plant is beneficial, so nothing goes to waste actually. And this is what it looks like after scooping out all the juice. So the next stage is for me to blend it. You can see how slimy it is and really slippery. So I'll go ahead and blend it, and I'll be using my hand blender to do that. You can use your any blender actually that you have, but I just prefer to use my hand blender because after using my hand blender I realized it's still a bit more slimy compared to me using like a powerful blender, if that makes sense. That makes it really watery. Meanwhile, this one still retains that slipperiness and that sliminess, which I think works better on your hair. So after blending everything, once it's smooth, the next stage is for me to sieve it. You have to sieve it. Do not use aloe vera on your hair without sieving it, because it always has particles and you don't want to find yourself picking out the particles from your hair. It's a nightmare. So I advise you always sieve it before using. You can see it's still very much slimy. If you had used a powerful blender, it will be really watery. I used to use my normal blender to do that, and then I realized it is always watery. Not like it's a bad thing, but I just feel like it's better for it to be in its normal slimy state. So here I'm adding my fenugreek seed to whatever container it is that you want to use to do the mix. So you just need a little, because it will swell up, so it will swell and double in size. So all you need is just little in your container, and then I will go ahead and add the just sieved aloe vera juice. I'm not using everything, I'm leaving some of it to mix with my conditioner. I'm doing a conditioner for my hair, a deep conditioner for my hair. What am I saying? Yeah, so I'm using some of it to do a deep conditioner for my hair, which I also have a recipe of it on my channel as well. You should check that out. You will find that really beneficial. Honestly, aloe vera is one of them plants that everybody's raving about. This is because it's really good for your hair. So whatever way you can incorporate it to your hair routine, I advise you do that. You will see difference to your hair. Even if you're not seeing a rapid growth, you will see a difference in the texture, and you will see a difference in the shine. So I'm just showing you the tea tree oil. I'm adding about 15 drops of it to my mix, and then I'll go ahead, close it, just give it a little bit of shake and leave it for 24 hours minimum. If you can leave it longer, by all means do that, but this recipe I left it for 24 hours. So this is the next morning, and this is what it looks like. You can see the fenugreek seed is double in size. I will just go ahead and sieve out all the juice. So I'm taking out all the juice at the top, and then I'll get a sieve to sieve out what is remaining, because I don't want to pour in, I don't want the seeds to get into the spray bottle, so I have to use the sieve to get all the juice out. And that is it. It's basically ready. You can use this not just as a leave-in, you can use this maybe before your wash day routine and your hair is dry, you need to revive your hair and bring back that moisture. You can use that. But in this video here, this is an extract from my deep conditioning video. I just wanted to show you guys how I use it. I've just basically finished washing my hair, so I'm just using this the juice as my leave-in conditioner. But like I said, it doesn't have to be leave-in only. You can use it to revive your hair when you think your hair is looking dry and you just want that extra moisture back, or your hair is looking dull and you want extra shine. It does that. It helps with that. The benefit of this juice cannot be overemphasized, so I will advise you actually consider incorporating this to your hair routine if you haven't done that already. I sectioned my hair into 4 just for easy manipulation, just to make sure that I get the juice to every part of my hair. So I'll just do this in sections, making sure that as I am applying, I'm using my hand to finger detangle, because I hate to use comb to detangle my hair. So this, because it makes my hair really soft, it makes it really easy for me to put my fingers through it and finger the tangle of the hair. So I'll repeat that to the whole hair and then I'll be done. So thank you. I hope you find this video really useful. I'll just allow you to enjoy the rest of the video, but like I mentioned, I've got a video on how I made my aloe vera oil, how I make my deep conditioner using aloe vera and other ingredients you might find really useful. I advise you check them out. Links will be in the description, or I've got links in the videos which you can basically click and it will take you to the videos. I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, do not hesitate to give me a thumbs up and basically share it with anyone, a sister or a brother who is into natural hair and looking for something to help with their journey. Please share my video, and then if you like the video and you will want to be part of the family, please subscribe to my channel because I've got more content coming. I just don't post on hair, I post on food as well and other lifestyle. So thank you again, and I hope to see you in my next one.